Welcome aboard the journey to uncover the enigmatic world of diatoms, those microscopic wonders shaping our oceans. In this series, we delve deep into their intricate roles and mesmerizing diversity. Did you know that diatoms are the unsung heroes of the carbon cycle? Accounting for a staggering 20% of global carbon fixation, they diligently transform carbon dioxide into precious organic carbon, aiding in the fight against climate change. Take a deep breath, for diatoms provide over 40% of the ocean's oxygen, fueling life beneath the waves. Their photosynthetic prowess not only sustains marine ecosystems but also fills our atmosphere with the breath of life. From tiny krill to majestic whales, diatoms serve as the cornerstone of marine food webs. Their nutritious long-chain fatty acids fuel the growth of countless organisms, ensuring a thriving oceanic buffet. Ever wondered about the architects behind essential biogeochemical cycles? Look no further than diatoms. These tiny titans orchestrate the flux of oxygen, carbon, and vital nutrients, shaping the very foundation of marine life. Prepare to be astounded by the sheer diversity of diatoms. With an estimated 100,000 to 200,000 species, each boasting unique shapes and intricate designs, they paint the oceans with a kaleidoscope of beauty. Whether adorning oceanic depths, freshwater lakes, or moist soils, diatoms thrive in diverse habitats across the globe. Their adaptability and resilience underscore their significance in Earth's ecosystems. Did you know diatoms extend beyond the confines of the natural world? From toothpaste to solar panels, their silica-rich skeletons find myriad applications in industries, showcasing nature's ingenious design. Despite their resilience, diatoms face mounting threats from pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. As stewards of our planet, it's imperative to safeguard these microscopic marvels for future generations. As our journey draws to a close, we invite you to join the diatom discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to spread awareness of these unsung heroes of the sea. Together, let's celebrate the beauty and importance of diatoms in shaping our world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders of nature. Dive deep into the ocean of knowledge with the Insight Station.